Today is one of those days where you have to make a bigger mess before things get cleaner. So the man cave is very messy, but only because I am installing a whole shelving unit here and there, and it's gonna be a fisherman's paradise. We're gonna have a rigging station, a new chest freezer, ice maker, fridge. It is 10 p.m. I gotta be up at 6 in the morning. I should be in bed already. But first we need to cook some food that's gonna power us through tomorrow. All right, it's early in the morning. Early. It is 6:10 in the morning. I think Jordan is just about to get here. Let's go fishing. Oh, and guess what I got? Some of that steak I made last night, I chopped up and put in a container, so we got some fresh steak for breakfast. Looking good. Focus, there we go. All right, we are on the boat. Got all the rods loaded down. There's our beautiful teasers, and look at this sunrise behind us. Is that not a beautiful sunrise? All right, we better get going. All right, we are untied up here. Gaff, ice. Dude, I think we got everything.
I can't think of a single thing that could go wrong.
Everything else is just a bonus at this point. All right, we are in 110 feet of water. Jordan's back there putting the feather out. And bonita strips. It's a little rocky, but I think we about to catch a big fish. Probably get us trolling. Oh my, bait. There's something, probably wahoos, like thousands of them. Potential fish on. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I got the gaff. There is a fish on there. Well. Look at that. Oh, and we're heading right for a buoy. Yeah, the pliers are in the bucket. Oh, nice. There we go. Might have a fish on here. All right, I'll straighten us out here. Small fish, but a fish nonetheless. Oh yeah. Old flicker, okay. That looks like a kingfish. All right. Woo, all right. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh, you want to hold him up? Oh, dude, yeah. That's what we're talking about right there. Woo! Fish on, a bigger one? Yeah. All right, we got another big fish on, or the biggest fish of the day. I'll make sure we don't hit any buoys out here, some crab traps, them damn pots all over the place. Oh, what is, oh, hey, another king. It might be a smoking kind of day. Smoked kingfish. Wow, look at that. Teeth. Yeah. Another one in the box. Woo, we just made it back to the house. Ah, nice and warm. I just need, I'm just gonna take one sliver of one of these guys. Beautiful. Nice little slab of meat. And there we have it. Half of a kingfish. Nice little chunk of meat there that we'll be cooking up later. I am going to clean the boat now, and Jordan already left. He had a nice huge bag of kingfish that he's gonna take back to his neighborhood and they're gonna have a freaking cookout. But I'm gonna try to do something super special with this kingfish right here, something I haven't done before. Keep it exciting. We are in the kitchen and I have this beautiful bag of kingfish. And I said I was gonna do a recipe I've never done before. And this one is called Poor Man's Lobster using kingfish. I got some chopped up garlic, which I'm gonna put in this pan here. And we're gonna roast it. While that garlic roasts, we are going to make a concoction that we're gonna poach the kingfish in. And that is gonna consist of some lemon and then drop the halves in there. Also squeeze a lime in there. So 1 lime, 1 lemon. It's like milking a cow. We will also be adding a couple of bay leaves. Maybe like 3 bay leaves. You know what? Let's make it 4. This right here is a homemade concoction. This is chili sauce that I have marinating with red pepper. So it's got a nice chili sauce spice to it. Just pour, whoop. All right, that's good, that's good. Now we're gonna be taking the South Florida Fishing Channel Fish and Game Seasoning Bayside. You could also use Old Bay or Old Bay Spicy, but this has even more flavor than Old Bay. And then we also want to give it a spice. In this case, we're going to use the Fish and Game Seasoning, the Reaper. Instead of cayenne, we're going to use the Reaper, which has an even bigger, better punch. But if you don't have this, cayenne pepper works great. Did you think we were done? Nope, not yet. One last thing, add some hot sauce. In this case, we're using the Tabasco Habanero. This is one of my, I'm not a huge Tabasco fan, but the Tabasco Habanero, that's on a different level. We'll give it a nice splish splash. I'm taking a bath. Ooh, is that a pool party? Please invite me. And that sounds good right there. Woo! Ooh, the garlic's getting hot. All right, I'm gonna add some butter on there. So now we're gonna make a garlic roasted butter sauce that we're gonna end up pouring on top of the kingfish at the end here. I'm gonna reduce the heat on that a little bit. We just want this to kind of simmer a little bit, get that garlic nice and cooked and absorb that garlic right into that butter. I'm thinking we could even use more butter. How much more butter? A lot more butter. More butter, more better, baby. While we wait for our Bayside Cajun bowl there to come to temperature, we're gonna take our kingfish. Whoa, that is beautiful kingfish. We're just gonna start calling this lobster now. This is no longer kingfish, this is lobster. This is the poor man's lobster, and we're about to blow your mind. It's ready to go, but I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Salt never hurt nobody. And then we're gonna take our beautiful pieces of kingfish and we're just gonna drop them in there. And the key here is for the kingfish to cook very slowly. We'll give it maybe 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna reduce the heat even more and then it should be ready to go. We are about to make a bowl of heaven. First, oh damn, look at that butter just flowing down in there. That lobster is submerged in garlic roasted butter. This might be, I think I outdid myself this time. Let's just give it a try and see what we're working with. Is it gonna taste like lobster? If you look at the texture, it looks like lobster. It's got that like jiggle that lobster has. So I'm already like impressed. You will not believe me if I told you that tastes like, it's coming, that tastes like lobster. This is not clickbait. No, no. No, no, this can't be real. The texture is like lobster and there's no fishy flavor at all. There's no kingfish, fishy oiliness at all. It tastes like a white meat with the texture of lobster, with the flavor of butter and that Cajun-y Bayside. It's got a touch of that and it's just, this is next level. I hope you guys super enjoyed this video. I told you I was gonna step up my cooking game and we're doing it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. You can support me and this helps so much just by hitting the like button and leaving a comment. And hey, if you want to splooge, SouthFloridaFishingChannel.com. We got merch on there, seasonings, and all the fishing tackle you could ever need to fish South Florida.
or any of Florida, or we have panfish hooks too, freshwater stuff, sheep's head stuff. Man, we got beach fishing gear, we got it all. So check out the website, and I'll see you guys on the very next episode. Cheers.